Today we talk about how can you fix that problem you have on your Burger King app. So all you have to do, you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list and you go down here. Then you click here on apps. So then you come to apps list here. You go down to looking for Burger King. Click on it here and you come to this list here. You click here on for stop. Then you click here on OK. So then you go down, you click here on storage and you come to storage list here. You click here on clear cache. Then you go to your Play Store. So you click here on your Play Store here. Then you search for Burger King. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it. So then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. I wish you a great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.